Using our air machine to calibrate your tires couldn't be easier. First, check the proper tire pressure of your vehicle. Usually, this information is located on the driver's side door jamb. Look for the PSI pressure specification. Once you have the proper PSI pressure for your vehicle, just go to the air machine and tap the plus or minus sign to select the desired tire pressure. Then grab the chuck located on the right-hand side of the air machine and carefully connect and hold down the chuck firmly on the valve stem. After calibration is complete, you will hear a beep. Remove the chuck from the valve stem and go to the next tire to repeat the same procedure. When you're done, carefully return chuck to the bucket on the right-hand side of the air machine. What if the tire does not inflate? If tire does not inflate when hose chuck is connected to valve stem, press the flat tire button on the keypad. Carefully connect and hold down the chuck firmly on the valve stem again and wait until you hear a beep. If the tire persists to be underinflated, then a visit to a local tire shop is recommended. XL Tire Gauge, America's leader in digital air inflation.